I've got my little helpers in the break. They went for a swim, so they're all covered up. And we are making chickpea samosas this morning, aren't we? Yeah? Yummy? Do you like chickpeas? Yes, I know Hannah really likes chickpeas and Olive's been eating them all, so I don't know there's going to be much left for our recipe. So this is a sanitarium recipe and I absolutely love it because it's easy, it freezes really well, and it calls for 2 cans of chickpeas. 2 cans of chickpeas. Everything can be done in the food processor, so there's nothing to it. I've got 1 whole red onion. I just throw it in there. You don't have to put chili in it, but it does add a bit of spice. Careful, because if you touch this and then touch your eyes, it'll burn. 1 clove of garlic, throw it in there. The rind from the lemon juice that we're going to put in there. So one lemon juice and rind from that lemon. Put it in there. And usually we use fresh coriander, but we actually couldn't find any, so there must be a shortage at the moment. So we're using semi-dried coriander, and it's a whole bunch. Okay, you can put it in. All right. Whole bunch of coriander. Usually I just put the whole stem in there, the whole coriander stem, or half a bunch, depending on how big the bunch is. Oh, I'm going to add, hold on, I'm going to add a little bit. The sanitarium recipe doesn't have salt, but I like to add half a teaspoon of any good salt, like Himalayan. There we go. And we are now going to roll. There we go. Okay. And I'm going to scrape the sides down a little bit. Can you see the texture? So it's a bit flaky. We don't want it to be mush. You still want it to be a little flaky.
If you like, you can put salad in that.
Okay. That's it. Done. Can you switch it off for me? Good work. Okay, so we'll take it off. I'm going to put it in here. So not too mushy, still flaky. This filo pastry, I didn't defreeze it properly. You're supposed to defrost it for a little while, and so not half of it, but maybe a quarter of it's missing. So I'm just going to use this one. Usually you can make 4 of them.
Can I eat?
No, you can't. You guys just want to eat everything. Do you want to help me spray? We're going to spray a little bit of oil on top.
Yeah.
Little bit, just a little bit. And we're going to put another filo pastry on top. And I might just touch of spray again, just so it sticks properly. And I cut with this one, I think maybe we can make 3.
For us.
But usually you can make 4 on a good size. And just 1 spoon, 1 heaped tablespoon on the top. It's okay if yours is a little more mushy. And then you just fold it over one side to make like a triangle. Can you see that? And then you fold down and you keep folding into triangle shape until you've got your samosa. And then you put it on a tray, a baking tray, and we will be doing that, and we'll come back and show you the finished product. Our samosas are out of the oven and they cooked perfectly. So as you can see here, they've just lightly browned, golden brown, and I'm going to throw them on a plate. Don't forget that you can freeze these before you've cooked them. So as soon as you've made them into little triangles, you can put them in the freezer in a plastic bag and they'll last. Please visit us on our social media and let us know if you make any of our recipes. Please comment and let us know how they turn out. See you next time. Say bye.
Bye.